Hi, welcome back to the second episode that is light and shadow of the series Creative Self-Portrait Ideas at Home with Phone and No Tripod. Yeah, so while clicking shadow photography, the basic hack is the timing, that is, at what time of the day you are clicking those pictures. It has to be the golden hour if the main source of your light in the set is the sun.
Okay, at first, this is my Jugaad or DIY tripod. For details, you can check my previous video in the I button.
So yeah, let's get into the video and see how to click some amazing self-portraits with some easily available household props.
First prop is spatula. This is the one जिससे पूरियाँ तलते हैं. Not sure what it is called exactly. So yeah. Make sure you are sitting facing the sunlight so the shadow of all your props falls on you.
But I wouldn't have it any other way. Our friends say we're a mistake. Yeah, if we bend too far, we'll break. If we're knocked out, we'll go the distance, pound for pound. We're a perfect match, pulling punches, but toe to toe, we're always on the road. Worse or better, we can't stop, we can't stop.
Here are our first results.
Together, we're better off, and we can.
Second prop is books. बचपन के story books. You don't need the heavier ones, just thinner one will do.
Better off, better off. Better off. I am crooked, you're clean cuts. I'm wide-eyed, your eyes are shut. I close down, wanna run away. Yeah.
I think you are getting some ideas on how to place them. It's just clicking awesome portraits by playing with light and shadows.
You were up and ready for the chase to bring me home safe. If I'm knocked out, we'll go the distance, pound for pound. We're a perfect match, pulling punches, toe to toe. We're always on the road. Worse or better, we can't stop, we can't stop. 'Cause together we're better off, and we can.
Ta-da! Here are the results.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah.
Third prop, basket. Just a usual plastic basket used to keep fruits and stuffs. And I'm sure each of us have it in our house.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Better off, better off. I am wicked, you're insane. But I wouldn't have it any other way. Our friends say we're a mistake. Yeah.
So let's see the results.
We'll break. If we're knocked out, we'll go the distance. Pound for pound, we're a perfect match. Pulling punches, we're toe to toe. We're always on the road.
Okay, so our fourth prop is a city. It has become a thing now. Anyways, we will use this shiny reflecting part to create our portraits. But here is a hack. Keep the city's reflecting part direct to the light source. Here it's the sun in my case. You can use the flashlight of your phone too. And make sure you sit in some darker place, otherwise you won't be getting such bright rainbow. First time when I tried this failed miserably, and then get the fact. Like here you can see I am sitting behind the cupboard's shadow and my hand holding the CD is facing the sunlight.
We're so better. We can't stop. We can't stop. 'Cause together we're better off. And we can. Better off, better,
So here are the results.
better off. I am crooked, you're clean cuts. I'm wide-eyed, your eyes are shut.
Now our last prop, that is our fifth prop, is our basket again. Just this one is having different design, so we will get different pattern. So cool na?
I close down, wanna run away. Yeah, you were ripe and ready for the chase to bring me home safe. If I'm knocked out, we'll go the distance. Pound for pound, we're a perfect match. Pulling punches, or toe to toe, we're always on the road. We're so better. We can't stop. We can't stop. 'Cause together we're better off. And we can. And we can.
Okay, let's see the results now.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah.
So that's all for the today's video. If you want some more self-portrait ideas, you can check my previous video in this series, that is monotone. Check the I button. And if you recreate any of these ideas, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. I will love to share your work. So until the next time, bye, take care. More videos in this series are coming on your way. So stay tuned and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Better off, better off. I am wicked, you're insane. But I wouldn't have it any other way. Our friends say we're a mistake.